everybody, welcome back. So for our second Earth Day activity, we are going to do rain painting. So I made this a couple days ago. It is the earth, and I used the rain to help me paint it. So for this art project, you're going to need some cardstock or thick white paper, markers, a Sharpie or permanent marker, something that's a circle that you can trace. So I have a bowl and a pair of scissors and the rain. The first thing you're going to do is take your bowl and put it on your paper, and you're going to trace a circle onto your paper. You're going to trace with your permanent marker, because that way when it rains, it's not going to wash away. So once you have your circle, it's going to look like this. Then we're going to take our blue and green markers and we're going to color our earth however you want. It's not going to look like this when you color it. So I'm going to use my blue for the water. Put some water on both sides of my circle. Put a little water in the middle and a little more water on the sides. And then I'm going to use my green for the land and fill in all that extra white space. See, right now I'm using the side of my marker to fill it in, but you can use the point and do some skinny lines too. However you would like to color your earth. This is going to be your painting. And it's okay if you get a little bit out of the lines, because we're going to cut our circle out at the end. So this is what it's going to look like after you're done coloring your whole circle. See how it doesn't look anything like my first world that I showed you, my finished product? That's because we didn't get any rain on it yet. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to put your piece of paper outside when it's raining. You can put it on the porch, you can put it on the sidewalk, you can put it on your grass, and when the rain comes down, it's going to make your blue and your green colors bleed together, just like this one that I showed you. Then, when you bring your picture inside, you're going to set it out to dry. It probably is going to take a little bit to dry because it's going to be soaking wet from sitting out in the rain. But once it's all dry, you're going to cut along that black line and you're going to cut your circle out. So your whole world is going to cut out just like this. Then, because it's dry, you can use markers, colored pencils, crayons, and you can draw anything you want on your world. I decided to draw a face on mine, but you don't have to draw a face, or you could just leave it like this, because once it's dry, it's not going to go back outside in the rain, so your colors are not going to bleed anymore. I hope you enjoyed this rain painting project. I hope, oddly enough, that it drizzles a little today so you can do this project today and you don't have to wait. But if you have to wait, there are other Earth Day activities that I posted below too that you can participate in without the rain. I will see you all later. Bye!